Someone you love passed away. There's money sitting in their checking account, and the bank just told you they can't let you touch it, even though you're the executor, even though you have the paperwork. I want to walk you through exactly how to fix that, step by step, in the order the bank is actually going to ask for it. I'm Eric Baskett with Century 21 Coastal Properties here in Los Angeles. I'm a certified probate expert. That's a designation I earned through Probate Mastery, an organization that trains real estate professionals and service providers to work with families going through probate and estate administration. The focus of that training is leading with empathy and making sure families have everything they need to get through this. I've been in this business 21 years, and I've walked more than 50 families through the probate process right here in Los Angeles County. So let me save you a wasted trip to the bank. Here's the first thing to understand. When a person dies, their bank accounts freeze. That's automatic. It isn't the bank being difficult. That account belonged to them personally, and a person who has passed away can't own an account anymore. What the court gave you authority over is something different. It's called the estate. Think of the estate as a temporary business that exists for one purpose: to collect everything your loved one owned, pay off what they owed, and hand the rest to the people who inherit it. You're the manager of that business, and like any business, it needs its own bank account, its own tax ID, its own paper trail. That's what we're setting up today. Step 1, you need a tax ID number for the estate. The official name for it is an EIN, an employer identification number. Now, the estate doesn't have employees. That's just what the IRS calls the number. Don't let the name throw you. Here's what you cannot use. You can't use your loved one's social security number. That number retires when they do, and you should never use your own social security number. That money isn't yours. If it's reported under your name, you've just created a tax problem that will follow you for years. So the estate gets its own number. Go to irs.gov. Search for Apply for an EIN online. It's free, it takes about 10 minutes, and you get the number immediately at the end. One warning: there are websites that will charge you $80 or $100 to do this for you. If a site is asking you for money, you're on the wrong site. Close the tab and go directly to irs.gov. When you're done, print the confirmation letter. The bank is going to want to see it. Step 2, open the estate account. Call the bank and make an appointment with a banker. Sit down with an actual person. Do not walk up to the teller window and try to do this. Most tellers have never opened an estate account, and they will send you home. If you can, use the bank where your loved one already held their accounts. It makes closing those accounts much simpler later. The account gets opened under a specific title. It looks like this: Estate of Jane Smith, John Smith, Executor. The estate's name comes first. Yours comes second with your role attached. Now, here's what you need to bring with you. 4 documents. Miss one and you're going home empty-handed. First, your certified letters testamentary, or letters of administration if there was no will. That's the court order that says you're the one in charge. Certified means it carries the court's official seal, not a photocopy you made at home. Get several certified copies, not one. Everyone keeps a copy. Second, a certified copy of the death certificate. Same rule, get extras. Third, your EIN confirmation letter from the IRS. Fourth, your own government-issued photo ID, driver's license or passport. Step 3, close the old accounts and move the money. Once the estate account exists, the bank uses those same certified letters and the death certificate to transfer the balances into the estate account. But before they close anything, you need to ask for one specific thing. Ask for date of death statements. That's an official statement showing exactly what was in each account on the day they passed away. The California Probate Court requires you to file a document called the Inventory and Appraisal, Form DE-160. It's a complete list of everything the estate owned and what it was worth on the date of death. Ask for those statements while you're sitting in the banker's office. Getting them 6 months later is a headache you don't need. While you're there, ask the banker one more question, because not every account goes into the estate. Say your mother had a savings account and your sister's name was on it too as a joint owner. The moment your mother passes, that money is your sister's. It never enters the estate. It doesn't go on the inventory as an estate asset. You have no authority over it. Same thing with what's called a payable on death account. The money goes straight to that person. But you need to know which is which before you start reporting numbers to the court. Now, 2 rules that matter more than everything else. Rule 1, estate money never touches your money, not for a day. Mixing the two has a name. It's called commingling. And under California fiduciary standards, it's one of the fastest ways an executor ends up personally on the hook for the estate's problems. Estate bills get paid out of the estate account, no exceptions. Rule 2, document everything. Every deposit, every check, every receipt, every payment to a creditor, a contractor, an attorney. Before the court allows you to distribute $1 to the heirs, you'll file an accounting, a full record of every dollar that came in and every dollar that went out while you were in charge. I want to be clear about something. This is educational information. It's not legal advice, and it's not tax advice. Your situation is specific to you. Always work with a licensed probate attorney. If you're not sure where to start, we put together a free asset disposition checklist. It walks you through bank accounts, vehicles, and property. The link is below this video and it costs you nothing. And if there's a house in the estate, that's usually the largest piece. When you're ready, I'll sit down with you and lay out every option. Sell it, keep it, or bring you an offer. No cost, no obligation. One last thing. Everything I covered today lives on my site, probateestatehelp.com. I'm Eric Baskett, Century 21 Coastal Properties, right here in Los Angeles. Take care of yourself.